हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम सौम्या है एंड मैं आपकी साइकी हूँ, टैरेट कार्ड रीडर हूँ, हीलर हूँ। मैं स्टाइलिस्ट भी हूँ, फूड ब्लॉगर भी हूँ। सो आपको अगर मुझसे टिप्स लेना हो तो आप ले सकते हैं कोई भी। अगर आपको कोई खाने का भी कुछ जानना हो तो आप मुझसे जान सकते हैं। यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी डायरेक्टली ऑन इंस्टाग्राम विद टैरेट विद सौम्या. ओके गाइज, एंड आई हैव माई अनदर फूड ब्लॉगिंग at Instagram, which is the name of Chef Soumya 222. So let's start with your reading with your career Aquarius. आपके साथ क्या होने वाला है regarding your career January 2021 में. So are you ready Aquarians? So let's hit your cards. Let's see what is there for you. Just relax guys. आपको चिंता करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं Aquarians. Spirit angel, please guide me. What is there for my Aquarians during January 2021? Okay. There is 8 of Swords reverse. What is going on behind your back, guys? Be careful. Ace of Cups. Okay. Let's see what is more there for you. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for Aquarians for their career during a month of January 2021? Tower moment. 10 of Cups reverse. 8 of Cups I'm getting reverse. Why have you stopped focusing on yourself? Like you are just like your coins are going out of your life, guys. Okay, regarding your career, like most of your coins is just going out. Okay guys, so you need to be careful. You need to put your focus on. Okay, this card came reverse at the end. You're not focused, you're still on like stuck on your past regarding your career, and I am watching like you're losing all your grip, Aquarians. Most of you had a bad past. You had a tower moment due to coronavirus. Your work got stuck out. Most of your work also got like gone all over. So you don't need to worry guys. Like there is still a hope. During January 2021 you will be having your own cup of your own work, business. Like there was lots of politics behind you, I can see that also, and most of your work got totally finished. 8 of Swords reverse. Someone don't want your good in your career. Someone is jealous of you. They don't want you to your dream comes to be coming true. You need to work with your intuition guys. You're not working with your intuition regarding your career. There is lots of hope. Okay guys, so keep your hope on and work with your intuition. Now let's see what is there for your career guys. I mean to say love life. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for Aquarians for their love life during a month of January 2021? What is coming up with them? Too much of overthinking, so much of stress, so much of karmic. Okay, I got 8 of Cup again reverse. High Priestess reverse. I am having a vision like something gonna come up to you very soon. You don't have any idea what is going behind at your back. Like this person is out of the past, or you could be out of your past. Queen of Swords. 5 of Pentacles. Page of Swords. So much of Swords. The Sun reverse. Okay. 9 of Swords. 7 of Swords again reverse. Hope I'm not holding my card reverse. No, I'm not holding my card reverse guys. So 7 of Pentacles I got straight. So I'll read your cards in love now. Wheel of Fortune is the end of the deck. I am having a vision like you both are mirroring to each other. There are so many ego clashes between you both. Like so much of depression. This person left you all over in depression, and your person is also thinking about you regarding their work wise. They think about you a lot. Like this person played with you a lot in the past. I am having a feeling like, but divine timing is working for you guys. Okay, this person is losing their strength to come towards you, Aquarians. There is little hope you lost with this person. I am having a vision like you have lost hope with this person. For most of you, your person is mirroring you, and they are right now in a bad health. They are getting more over depressed. Like you may have cut off from them from social media, you have blocked them, and this person is getting mad now. Forgiving and learning. I am telling you, this person is from past. If you want this person to come up to you again, so you need to forgive your past. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Let me see what is there for you from my love oracle. I'll check again and again with different cards. Okay, number 37, again forgiveness. See, I told you, forgiving and learning. You need to forgive because this person want to come back to you guys. They are dying to come back to you now. They are losing their strength. You might have blocked them from social media, but this person is getting so mad. They talk over you every time from social media. Be careful. ये आपको अगर स्टॉक कर भी रहे होंगे ना, तो आपको क्या पता फेक प्रोफाइल बना के आपसे बात भी कर सकते हैं कुछ लोगों का। ओके, हो सकता है इन्होंने 2 या 3 प्रोफाइल अपनी बना के रखी हो। एंजल स्पिरिट प्लीज गाइड मी फॉर एक्वेरियंस. व्हाट इज देयर फॉर माय एक्वेरियंस इन लव फॉर जनवरी 2021. Your person is not healed guys, nor you are healed. You both need healing. आप दोनों एक दूसरे को तो मिरर कर ही रहे हो, पर आप दोनों बराबर में चल रहे हो. इंटेंस लव स्टोरी हो रही है आपकी यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा. You need a meditation guys. You need a shadow work. Okay, go and do your shadow work. It's very much needed. Then only your person will come to you. You are just stopping. There are so many blockages in your love life. Universe love, universal love. So your love is already written by universe. आप चाहे अपने पास्ट से जितना दूर भाग लो एक्वेरियंस, आपके पास पार्टनर आएंगे ही आएंगे आपके पास. अगर हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए आपके एक्स हो, एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए आपके पास्ट लाइफ से कनेक्टेड हो सकते हैं. फॉर अदर्स दिस इज़ अ कार्मिक पार्टनर. दिस पर्सन मे हैव like this person will finish their all karmic cycles. Okay, then they will come towards you. This is a universal love guys. You need a self-love. This person need a self-love. Let's see what is more there for you, Aquarians. Hold a second guys. I'm so sorry guys, my card fall off. So Aquarians, this person is waiting for your message guys, whosoever it is. But this person is definitely your ex. What I am having a feeling, this person is your ex Aquarians, and this person is definitely waiting for you to come back. They always wait for you कि कब आप उन्हें मैसेज करेंगे. What is there for my Aquarians in love? Number 14 can be important. या तो इस पर्सन का बर्थ डेट आता है, या तो हो सकता है 14 डेज 14 वीक्स में आपको इस पर्सन का मैसेज भी मिल सकता है. Angel spirit please guide me. What is there for my Aquarians? Change. I am having a vision like you both are going to some transformation right now, and during a month of January you both will have some positive change in your life, and this man will come over to you with a big proposal again. Okay, but you both will have a bit of fightings Okay, I got another two card. See, I told you, this person is so much concerned about you. They think about you day and night. They are getting mad. आप इनको इग्नोर कर रहे हो, ये उतना ही पागल होते जा रहे हैं. कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है अगर आप कॉन्टैक्ट में हो इनके, they ignore you a lot. They show you they don't love you. It is like that. And for others, ये आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एटीट्यूड दिखाते हैं. What is there for my Aquarians in love during the month of January 2021? So number 7, 25, 14, 33 can be important to you guys. Okay, these numbers are like relevant to you. This person can be elder to you or you could be elder to them. Okay, like you will get a high honor when you will come with this person soon. Okay, you will be honored from this person soon. आपकी हो सकता है बहुत ज़्यादा सेपरेशन में हो अभी मेरे हिसाब से. तो this is a long distance for some people. This is a long distance relationship. There will be a big fight between you guys, so stay attentive whatever is going between you both. Okay guys, and yes, this person will be coming up towards you. They will be traveling towards your side and they will ask for your forgiveness. Okay guys, now let's see what is there for you more in love during January. Okay, I am having a vision like you are dealing with your twin flame, guys. Okay, this is your twin flame. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at your work, in your love life. Okay, guys, so God is already watching you both. Okay, this is already planned. ये जो भी हो रहा है divine timing से ही होएगा आपका, because Wheel of Fortune came. Okay guys, so whatever is happening, it is happening due to divine timing. ये डिवाइन टाइमिंग में आएंगे जनवरी 2021 में. हो सकता है आप या तो इनसे कांटेक्ट करने वाले हैं या तो ये आपसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं 14 वीक्स और 14 डेज में. यू डिज़र्व लव, यू आर लवेबल. कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है ये पर्सन न्यू हो. Okay, but they will be your twin flame, highly twin flame soulmate connection. Right now you are not talking to them, but during January 2021 you will get this person soon, and this person will be loving you a lot. You need to just trust the process, guys. This situation is calling you to have faith, so have some trust with this person. They can be loyal to you now. Maybe they must have treated you at your past. Okay, for some they can be married person. They didn't show you enough love at the past. Okay guys, so they will be expressing their love sooner. They will be calling you Aquarians, so you have to keep your open mind, guys. Okay Aquarians, so you need your self love, self development. Do your inner work, shadow work, lots of meditation. Listen to your inner soul, Aquarians. Okay, so definitely you are dealing with your karmic twin flame. For others this is a twin flame connection, Aquarians. So this was my reading for Aquarians. Hope you liked my reading. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment below section, and don't forget to press bell button icon there. थिंक करना मत भूलिएगा कभी भी. ओके गाइज, सो सी यू विद माई नेक्स्ट रीडिंग एंड थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. लव यू ऑल. बाय बाय.